Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start the analysis, first of all, we have to talk about some important things and then we will get started. So, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification because you will find a lot of value for free in this video and in the coming videos on my channel. So, make sure you are connected, subscribe, and like. And then below the video, once you click, you will find some links. The first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. This is mainly for newbies. So if you click on this link, you will come to this page here and then you can check out all the proofs. All this money was made by using a software, a robot on Forex trading method on automation. Okay. So in case if you're a newbie who do not want to learn all this complicated stuff of manual trading, then you can check out the first link and see if you can apply this and use this course to do the Forex automation using the expert advisor. Second link says order your custom technical analysis video. I have to talk about these two links. Okay. So on my channel, I will be doing the weekly analysis mainly on Saturday and Sunday because during the week, my schedule is busy. I will not be available on time. For example, mostly you need the analysis videos before the US market starts. Okay. So as per my time zone or as per my routine, I don't know if I will be available to upload videos before US market opens. Okay. So that's why I have decided to do the weekly analysis when the markets are closed on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Now, what does this mean? Order your custom technical analysis video. Let's click on this link first here and then I will explain. You need to know all this. Okay. Because I have some unique ideas in my mind which you will not find anywhere else on any other YouTube channel. Okay. If you're in the rush, you can always leave because I am not in the rush here because those people who give you 2 minutes analysis video, there's nothing wrong what they are doing, but you have to understand, use your common sense and logic. If you are talking about something financial, you cannot achieve everything in 2 minutes financially. Okay, so kindly understand that. So if somebody is doing 2 minutes analysis in their YouTube video, that basically means they only want to grab your attention and make you subscribe to their channel, join some paid Telegram group, or they just want to grow their audience. There's nothing wrong in what they do, but you have to understand, if you are here for technical analysis, it's gonna take time, man. Somebody who's doing the analysis, they need to be in calm mind. Okay, so if I have to do analysis, I have to be stress free and I have to take my own sweet time so that I can get into the details and do the analysis. So my point being is, if you are impatient, you want everything done in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, kindly just go and meditate and do something to yourself. Okay, if you are talking about real money, Forex trading is about making real money and about losing real money. When there is a real money involved, you have to be patient. There's no such thing in the world called make money fast. No, there's no such thing, make money fast. No, there's nothing fast. Okay. You only can lose money fast if you don't have patience. Okay. So if you come back below my video, why am I telling you all this? This is a one-time thing you need to know if you are new to new to my channel. Okay. So order your custom technical analysis video. What does it mean? It means that I will not be there to make videos on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday. If I have time, I will make those free videos. But if I don't have time, then I would probably only make videos on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So for example, if you want some analysis from me in particular, okay, if you want analysis from me in particular on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you will not see my videos. Okay. So the only idea I came up with, it's something which you can follow or which you may not follow. I don't know, but I have to give you the option. Okay. So the idea I have in my mind is, you can go for the paid analysis. Okay. So for example, I'm not available Monday to Friday, but if you want my analysis on Tuesday, you think you want to take this trade on Tuesday or Monday or Wednesday, or you need some assurance, surety, you need entry signal, you need exit signal for that particular pair, then I have two options for you. One says here, order full week analysis of your desired pair for $25. What does it mean? It means that you choose your pair and then I can make videos on that pair for that coming week. You will tell me the date. You want the analysis for Monday, Tuesday. You will tell me for the coming week or whatever. You will select the date, okay? And you will set you one pair. So one pair and analysis video for Monday, analysis video for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I will give you, or I will make that analysis video for you, especially who is going to order this. And I will send you those 5 videos one video each day, then you can go and take trades during the whole week for that one pair. Okay, so how does this work? For example, let's say you want analysis for Euro USD from Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday I will not come, I will be busy. Okay, but if you want paid analysis from me, then I'll make video or on Monday, Tuesday specifically for you, which will cover weekly analysis for one pair, and that will cost you $25. It's just a unique idea. You will not find anywhere else on the internet. Okay, it's just a unique idea I had in my mind. So yeah, this is how you go and do it. Order now. You click on order now. After that, let's say you only want one pair to be analyzed by me for the for the whole week, for the full week. That will cost you $25. Let's say you have two pairs. You said to your, okay, I have these two pairs in my mind. I want your analysis for these two pairs for 5 days, for Monday to Friday. Then you type in 2 here in the quantity, and that becomes $50. Okay, if you have 10 pairs in your mind, 10 pairs Monday to Friday everyday analysis, that becomes $250. Okay, that's up to you, right? So this is to make you understand what are the options, because I can't say this again and again. So I'm recording this, default video in which you will hear me saying this again. Now it says order 1 day analysis for your desired one pair, $10. Okay, what does it mean? It means that you have some pair in your mind. You have USD CAD, USD CHF, Euro USD, whatever pair you are working on right now. You need my analysis on that video. But if I am absent from Monday to Friday, absent means I don't have time to make free videos on Monday to Friday. I can only do that on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So if I'm not available to give you my free analysis, but you want, specifically you want my analysis on that particular pair, and you want only for 1 day, you set TubeCore, okay, tell me what's going to happen on Monday, tell me what's going to happen on Tuesday, or tell me just, you have specific pair and you only want 1 day analysis, okay, tell me what's going to happen on Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever, okay. In that case, you choose your one pair and you choose your desired date, that for which date you want the analysis for, and then you click on order now here. Once you place the order, again the same thing. If you want to only have the analysis for one pair, choose quantity 1. If you want 2 pairs in your mind, 2 pairs for daily analysis, then 2, and that will become 20, whatever. Okay, now after you place order, you fill up all these details and then you click on pay now. After that, you simply have to email me your details. So you go below my video and you will find this email here, right? You see here. So in the email, you just go ahead and send your desired pair and the date for which you want the analysis, and that is after you have made the payment. Okay, if you need any help, if you have any questions, you can always email me and I'll get back to you, right? So far so good. Then it says send profits here. I have to explain all this at least for once before starting. Send profits here mean that, for example, you're watching my free analysis video. Okay, so you click on this link and come to this page. What does it say? It says send my profits here. Now I am not charging you any money for what I am doing. Okay, I'm not asking you to pay me like $1,000 for buying my course. I'm not selling you a $1,000 course right now. I'm not asking you to join some a paid membership in my Telegram where I will send you signals. So whatever I'm doing, that is totally free for now. Okay, but I have this option for those people to motivate them, because I am giving you all the knowledge, possibly whatever I have, for free for now. Okay, I can make this paid if I want to, but for now I think it's free. Okay, so what I'm expecting from people, just for testing purposes, or rather let's see how many people come back to me and say thank you. Okay, so let's see if somebody comes back to me and say, oh, okay, TubeCore, I saw your videos and I made profits after watching your analysis, and they come back to me and say, I'm happy to contribute, I'm happy to share my profits with you, because you helped me, your videos helped me to make this profits. Okay, so in case if you find my videos, my knowledge helpful, and you go live with that and you make profits with my knowledge, and then you can decide whatever amount you want to send from your profits. I'm not asking you to send me anything from your pocket. If you make money from my videos, from my knowledge, and if you have made profits, then you can always come to this link here which says send profits here. Come and click on buy now, and then enter your whatever amount you want to send, and that is something which will help you to understand how many people are actually going live on on this method. Okay, because most of the people, they don't go live, or if they go live, they lose money. Okay, I'm gonna see how many people make real money or real profits with my videos. Okay, I hope everything's clear. And the last link says check out best prof firm and forex traders and forex brokers. So come to this link here, and if you scroll down, you have the best prof firm in the world. What does it mean? It means that if you don't have your own money, if you want to trade with huge amounts such as 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, but if you don't have that kind of money, but you have the knowledge, you think you can pass the challenge, you can pass the test, then you can go and join the world's best prop firm. When I say best, it is the best, okay? No arguments here. So best means go and join the best prop firm, and if you can pass the test, then you will get the funded account and then start your trading journey. If you have your own money, then you can check out these brokers and then deposit the money to these brokers and then start your trading journey, okay? If you have any questions or talk to me one-to-one, check out you can drop me an email, okay? So I think this was very necessary for you to know that how, if you are going to connect with me for long term, you're going to watch my videos, use them to make money, whatever, okay? So you need to make sure what do I have in my head, okay? So you need to know the person whom you're gonna follow, right? So I think in last 10 minutes I've explained everything the way I think, because you will never find these kind of unique options on the internet from somebody else. If you were looking for a 2 minutes analysis, my friend, nobody is serious if they're giving you 2 minutes analysis, okay? If I make a 2 minutes video, I'm not serious about you. If you are only watching 2 minutes videos about analysis, that means you are not serious about yourself, okay? So somebody has to be, first of all, relaxed and in free mind before they do the analysis. I don't have to be in the rush. If I am rushing, if I am not paying attention to what I'm doing, then I will do it incorrectly probably, okay? So if I am in the rush, I will not be able to give you exact quality work, okay? If you are in the rush, that means you're not looking for quality either. So I hope everything is clear. Subscribe, check out these link, and again, join my free Telegram channel. This is absolutely free. If you want some free signals every now and then, go and join my Telegram channel. If you want to order your custom technical analysis video, check out this link. If you want to send your profits here, click here, and that comes when you have made profits with my videos, okay? Now, before we start the analysis, I have some couple of disclaimers. My videos are for education purposes only. I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses. However, I know what I'm doing. So in case you make profits, go ahead and send my profit share after you have made your profits. Let's see how many people will do that. Okay, that's only for checking people if they have a real human heart or not, okay? And if you're a scalper or 15 minutes trader, then I don't give you any 5 minutes or 15 minutes entry signals, but you can use my long-term analysis, and then you can use it to enter your positions in your short, in your short time interval, okay? So I hope you found this information useful. Now let's go ahead and start the analysis. Right, Euro USD. So starting with the top-down approach, let's go to the weekly chart. Now in weekly, we are in the trend, and this week we had a red candle which was rejected by the highest price, but it doesn't mean that we are going down. So let's take a look at the daily chart. In daily chart, we already had a pullback, okay? So we had couple of days last week where we took a pullback, then a blue candle, and then this was on Friday. So we have a wick here and it looks like a hammer. So we might be going up, okay? So more confirmation can come from 4-hour. So let's maximize. So in 4-hour, you could see we were in the downtrend, okay? And then we did not make a new low, right? So you can see this low was broken, okay? So this previous low was broken by this candle, and then sorry, I'm incorrect. Let me place the line here. There you go, okay? So this low was never broken, right? Let me correct myself. So this low was never broken, and we made a new low here. And if I delete this now, so you could see after this low we had the blue candle, and then again a pullback in 4-hour, and then this previous low was never broken. Okay, so let's maximize. So you could see that now the blue candle on Friday has crossed above the EMA. Okay, so in my opinion, in 4-hour, the sell trend is over. Then we are in the uptrend. Then we took a pullback. After pullback, we are going up again. But it was Friday. Okay, so we could not complete the uptrend. So I think on Monday onwards, we should be looking for buys. Okay, only buy positions. And yeah, you should consider that if it breaks the previous low in 4-hour, then look for sells. Otherwise, the trend is surely buy. Okay, weekly you can see is completely buy right here. Daily is also buy. So there's no point entering sells until and unless in short, in a short time trading, for example, in 4-hour. if your previous low is broken. Okay, so this candle here, you see, did not break the previous low. So again, then we have an uptrend, but by somehow, if we will have another red candle which will break this low, then we will go down in 4 hour. Okay, but for more confirmation, we can go back to 1 hour here. In 1 hour, as you can see here, this previous low was never broken. Okay, so this candle, this red candle did not break this low, and then uptrend pullback, and then again we have a this blue candle. Okay, so I guess everything is clear. So we are looking for buys only in Euro USD, and you can enter as per your timing, whichever country you live in, time zones and everything. Okay, but trend is definitely up, and this is a weekly analysis video, which means that things will change on daily basis, and I will not be creating videos on daily basis if I don't have time. So for that, you can order your custom analysis video if you want. And thanks for watching. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis video. Okay, thank you.